Today I'm going to show you how to install the power kit for the Nest Hello. So first of all, you're going to want to take your power kit out of the box and you're going to want to straighten the wires out. Next, let's make sure we turn the power off to our doorbell, either by flipping a breaker, unplugging the transformer, or disconnecting the wires out the transformer. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and install this. So the darker gray is going to, so there's 4 sets of wires. These two, these are connectors, and you're going to take the transformer and put it on the dark gray. It's labeled as trans. Usually it's the middle one, but you want to for sure check the labels. And that's going to go on the gray one. And then we're going to move this gray wire over to this terminal, the trans terminal. So let's do that first. This is what this little guy looks like. And I'm just going to use a Phillips screwdriver. And hook this wire from the trans, which is the transformer. Gonna stick this guy on the, it's not made for stranded wire, it's supposed to be hard, but, so you're gonna wanna push this clip in, like that with your thumb, and then so there's a little bit of copper sticking out, and I will definitely trim that off because you really don't want any of it shown. So let's go ahead and trim that, and you'll probably have to trim yours as well. You want to make sure that it's not showing, so you get the jacket of the wire all the way up to the end. That way nothing touches. So, okay, we've done that. Now let's move over. Let's go ahead and install this wire. It's kind of nice. Nest has already looped the wires for you. Not that it's a big deal, but that's kind of nice. You don't have to do it yourself. Just a nice little touch. Not that it's a big deal to loop it yourself, because it certainly isn't. So I've got that on the trans terminal. Now I'm gonna just cinch it down. Let's go ahead and do the same thing with the light gray. This time I'm prepared with the wire strippers. So let's go ahead, and you probably want about 1/4 of an inch long. So I've trimmed that. Let's go ahead and stick it in. So you're gonna wanna press down, see how that presses in. So you press down and stick your wire in the little hole and release. And you can see that's not going anywhere. It's nice and tight. So now let's go ahead and stick our white or light gray wire on the front, which is the front doorbell. That's where my Ring video doorbell is going to go. And then we'll cinch that down. And then there's a sticker on back and adhesive that we're going to pull off, and we're just going to mount it on here. And then we're going to hide these wires as best as we can, but you don't want to get them too close to the mechanical chime. So if you can hide them over on the side, if not, you can lightly just stick them up here, and just make sure that they're not touching any of the metal. But preferably, if you can get it out of this area, it would be perfect, but mine doesn't allow you to do that. So anyways, that's done. Now we're ready to hook up our Nest. Now, I have lots of videos on both Nest Hello and Ring Video Doorbell Pro, if you'd like to go check them out. I have a whole bunch of videos that you can see. Thanks for watching.